Hi everyone, and welcome to the second part of my Blitze Beetle build. In this video I assemble the front and rear shocks and mount them to the chassis. I also replaced all the plastic bushes in the car with proper ball bearings just to ensure that I don't have any problems later on. The shock assembly and installation went quite smoothly and there was no hiccups during the process. When all four shocks was mounted on the chassis, the only thing left to do was to mount the tires on the wheels and then fit them to the car. At this point I didn't glue the tires because I'm still thinking about possibly painting the wheels another color at some point in future. With the wheels mounted and the chassis complete, I decided to check the electronics, so I got the remote out and just checked the steering and the throttle, that everything works properly before going any further. On the RC stand the car seems quite fast, so I'm quite keen to get it finished and try it out for the first time. Hopefully I can get to a beach soon. I think that it'll be great fun playing with the Blitzer Beetle on a sandy beach. With the electronics working properly and the chassis complete, the only thing left to do is to start painting the body. I decided I don't want to keep the nose orange, I want it black as well. So I first mounted the nose to the body and the sunroof as well, and then sprayed two layers of primer and then a few layers of metallic black paint on top of that. Once the body was sprayed, I left that to dry and painted the interior, the driver and the steering wheel, and then I left everything to dry overnight before I decided which decals I'd like to put on the car, and then I cut them out and applied them to the body. All in all, the build took me about 2 afternoons, so it didn't take up too much time, but I enjoyed it quite a lot. It was quite a fun, quick build and not as complex as a crawler. So if you're looking for something that's quite quick and easy to build, I can really recommend the Blitzer Beetle. I'm quite happy with my build. I like how it came out and I can't wait to get out there and try it out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's always great to hear everyone's feedback. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.